People had been asking for a new yuca dish, and I recalled how special this tuber is to my family. So I took a kilogram of yuca and cut it into large chunks. Carefully, I peeled each piece. Then I put it in another bowl to wash it thoroughly. We don't want any lumps or anything like that. Next, I took a grater and patiently grated it. Grating yuca takes time and a bit of effort. Once grated, I wrapped it in a clean cloth and squeezed out all the water. This step is crucial for the perfect final texture. We need the yuca completely dry. If we leave water, the mix could be too wet, which we don't want. I took the dry yuca to the stove and crumbled it to make it loose without big chunks. We want each piece ready to absorb the ingredients we'll add later. After mashing it, I added 700 milliliters of milk and started stirring gently. As it cooked, I stirred constantly to prevent sticking and ensure even cooking. I kept stirring the cassava so it would absorb the milk and flavor evenly. Once the cassava was cooked and creamy, I transferred it to another bowl. Then it was time to add a can of condensed milk. This ingredient adds a sweet and creamy touch. After that, I poured in 200 milliliters of coconut milk. I added half a cup each of shredded coconut and powdered milk for extra creaminess. I mixed thoroughly to create a smooth, delicious blend. Finally, I lightly greased the mold with olive oil. Here I made sure the oil coated the entire mold so nothing sticks later. With the pan ready, I poured in the mixture and spread it evenly. Using a spoon, I smoothed the surface to ensure uniform texture throughout. I covered the pan with cling film to prevent ice crystals while freezing. Then I placed the mold in the freezer for 6 hours. 6 hours may seem long, but trust me, it's worth every second. Each step of this recipe adds a special touch. Preparing with such care always makes the end result special. This cassava dessert is a joy to make and savor each time.